So you're working as an agency recruiter, maybe you're in talent acquisition or a corporate recruiter. Bottom line is you're working 9 to 5 for a company, earning a salary, trading your time for money, and you started thinking to yourself, you know what? I can do this on my own. Maybe you're feeling burnout right now. Maybe you're just sick and tired of the restricted PTO days, the Monday morning meetings, the corporate minutia that goes along with all of your colleagues and different behaviors and attitudes. And it's just time for you to move on, and you're feeling that and you're feeling the burnout. I've been there, guys. I'm Russell Liebowitz, owner of Recruitemy. I've been in recruiting and staffing for 27 plus years. And just like you, I worked for a very large recruiting agency called Aerotech. And I learned so many things, but I felt all the things that I just mentioned, which you may be feeling right now. All right, so I've got really good news for you. If you're feeling apprehensive about how you're going to make money by leaving your current 9 to 5 job, and maybe you have that financial fear, I understand that. I have many members within our group right now that are in your shoes, but there's no reason why you can't get up early in the morning or get home at 5:30 p.m. or even on the weekends and do little things to catapult and launch your own recruiting business. You might be thinking, what about my non-compete? Is this a conflict of interest? These are all common things to think about, and I can help you with this, okay? So if you're in a position right now where you're feeling that burnout and you know you can make a ton of money, you're closing deals, you're a top producer within your agency, and you're realizing you're giving away like 80% of your commission. Maybe you have a salesperson that works with you who's going out and getting the recs, and all you're doing is recruiting. And you might be a little fearful of, how can I do that person's job? How can I do sales and get recruiting clients? If you have systems and processes in place and use our social selling strategy, at scale, you can get very qualified recruiting clients every week, and your calendar can be filled up. And I can teach you exactly how to navigate those phone calls with those recruiting clients so you can find the candidate, close the deal, and now you're making 100% of the money. All right, so no longer are you making $1,000 off one placement, now you're making $20,000. How would that change your life? I would imagine it's putting a smile on your face right now. So if you're ready to get moving in that direction, be an entrepreneur, take life into your own hands, stop working for the man, stop trading time for money. Guys, salaries are overrated. You're never gonna get the level of wealth that you want if you don't do this on your own, and it's easy to do and you can do it.